Welcome to my backyard garden, the winter edition. I've been growing lettuce and kale in that bed right there since late in the season in the fall. And then in this bed here, I planted some lettuce about 3.5 weeks ago. And the question was, can I start some plants in the middle of the winter, or do we need to have an established bed that will produce all winter long? So let's take a look at the results. So here we have the established bed. I've got lettuce and kale, and I've got that ceramic heater in the back. And I put this bed up in late October. This lettuce I transplanted, the other lettuce I planted, and it got established before it really started to get cold. And then this bed was planted 3.5 weeks ago. It was November 29th, and right now it's December 20th. So I've got a thermometer here, and the soil temperature is 70 degrees. I have a roof de-icing cable buried underneath the soil here about 3 inches below, and it's keeping the soil nice and warm. Now the temperatures are good, it's not too hot, and when I had this laying down, the temperature was 60. So at the surface level is 60 degrees here, which is fine. It's really nice temperature for lettuce. However, once it got to here, that hasn't done anything for 3 weeks. Okay, the verdict is it's best to have an established bed going into the winter if you're going to try to grow stuff all winter, instead of trying to start something late like in November or December. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a like, share it with your friends, leave your comments and questions below. Subscribe to my channel if you would, and ring that bell to get notified of my future videos. Back soon with more stuff. Bye-bye.